Hey guys, Ringmaster Ray, and I got my new album in today, and I've got some dimes to add to it. So we're going to be adding some dimes, and so this is from 2013 on, so it's a brand new. I just took it out of the plastic. Got my gloves that comes with it. We got all our sleeves here. Let's get our sleeves put in, and then we're going to get some dimes added in. All right, we're all set to go here, and I think I have these are, yep. That is a 2018 reverse proof. I have in that one and a 2020 right there. So let's start out with a 2013. This 2013 Denver. I guess I don't have the proof for that one right now. So I'm gonna get out my gloves, get my little pocket knife here so I can break the plastic. We'll get started. These gloves that come with these aren't the greatest. I have dozens and dozens of them. So all I do is I just perforate the plastic without touching the coin, and then we're good to go. So there is the 2013 Denver. And then we're gonna be moving on to the 14s here. I have the clad proof, and I believe that one's gonna be the silver proof. That one's a little tighter fit. Didn't give me any room to perforate it. I think the best thing to do is remove the staples instead. It'll be the safest way to get it out. All right, there we go. Yep, so there's the clad proof. 2014 S proof. And then we have the 14S. I believe this is going to be silver proof. Yep, that is the silver proof. You can see it right on the edge there. Proofy, proofy. And that one will go there. Now we're gonna move on to the 15s. So I do have a 15P. There's the clad proof. There's another clad proof. There's my silver, and there's a silver. I think I have duplicates of those. So let's start with the 15P. And then we can move on to these. This is a 15 silver. Those are spectacular. 15 silver proof. And let's see, that is a silver proof. That is an extra. So we have the clad proof. I have two of those. They are nice. There we go. All right, so now we have the 16F clad and silver. I'm gonna have to do the same thing with this one. And they always catch on the staples with these. Trying to avoid the staples at all cost. You don't want to scratch the coin at all. So there's our 16S proof. And here is our 16 silver. There. Let's zoom out a little more. There we go. And then I can show you a little easier this way. So we have the clad and the silver for the 17s, and I'm dropping that. These fit real tight. There we go. There is our 17 clad S. So I enjoy filling out these albums like this with you know, the highest quality coins that I can get to go in here, then rather than have, I'm not a big fan of slab coins. I don't think I even own well, I do have a couple of slab coins, but those are ancients. And but as far as like my albums and the newer coins and stuff, I like to have them all into albums. Like to be able to see them all and all the dates and play with them that way. And so I just enjoy that much more doing that. So here is our 18S silver proof. And our P&Ds. Some of these I have the P&Ds and some of them I don't. So that one's the P for the 18. And we got it there. Great. And then here is our D. These probably all came out of uncirculated sets as far as the P and Ds for sure. And then I have a coin shop that I can go through and get all the ones that I'm missing that are uncirculated also. All right, now for the 19s. And let's see, I have clad silver, and I think I have 2 silvers. Yep. So I have 2 silvers of, that's a 15. Do I have the 15? Yep, already have the 15. Actually, I have several of the 15s, tell you the truth. Let's go to 19S silver. So most of all my quarters, nickels, and pennies are all up to date. I have all of those in the newer stuff anyway. I'm only missing the key dates for the, see, 2019S for the pennies. The 3 of them anyway that I need, top 3. Then we have 20P, yep. Make sure that is the P and not the D. Let me check under my scope here real quick and we'll find out for sure what I've got. That is going to be the 20D. There's a fuzz there. There we go. And then I believe I have 20S proof right here, which will be on the next page. There we are. This one is the 2018, and they don't have a space for it, but if you guys look at that, 2018S silver reverse proof there, that one is a pretty sweet one. And but they don't have a place for it in here. So I'm going to be putting it probably more to the back in some of these empty slots. Just showing that I have it. Okay, so let's get to the 21s. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add the sleeves to these so that these don't get touched at all. All right, and we're back. So we can go to the next page here. Got those protected. So next ones we have up are our 2021s. So we have a 21 Philly. And I do have a 21 Denver. And we are going to be good here. Did I put those in the wrong spot? Nope, we got it. Let's make sure I had them in the right place. Now we're ready for our see, there's a 22, 22, 22. And here's our 21s. Let's start with our clad proof. Got staples stuck to my glove. There we go. All right, so there's the 2021 clad proof. That one's going to be a tight fit. So I want to slide in there very well. There it goes. Get it down in there. Good. Now for our silver. There's our 2021 silver. That went in pretty smooth. And now we're ready for our 2022s. So we have the Philly. And we have the Denver. And we have our silver. And look at that edge, it's just like, it's dark. That's interesting. It's like black looking. That is definitely toned up. It's never been touched. So I am the one that put it in there. All right, let's see what else I have here. What is this one? It's just an 84. All right, I think we're good. I'm gonna go ahead and take this 2018 silver reverse proof, and it's gonna go down here where these empties are, just showing that I have it. And we're gonna slide these in. Here it is. So this is the one we're going to be adding into this album. So I went to the coin shop and they did not have this one. So I was able to get this one off eBay so I could complete this album. All right, so what I do have here is the 2010, right there, Philadelphia, and it's going to go right in there. So now I'm only 2 away. And those are coming in the mail, hopefully shortly. And I do have labels that I need to add to this that I purchased and cover some of that up because I think I bought this album actually used. And then this one will be absolutely complete all the way through, except for these two, like I said, are coming in the mail. It's right there, right there. So those are the ones I'm waiting for. And then I'm gonna hit the coin shop and we're gonna try to fill out the rest of this right here, all the rest of these, and get all of those put in up to date. So our 2023 should be coming out shortly. We can start getting those. The women's quarters and stuff have already started coming out, so I'm pretty excited about that. And we can update our quarter album, which is complete. But guys, that is going to be it for our Rosie Dimes right now. Just 2 away. And we'll be caught up, except for this one here. I'm going to do some more work on this one. All right, guys, we're going to be moving on. We're going to head over to the next guy who's on the train here in the lineup. Please like and subscribe to all of the channels. Would be much appreciated. Please hit that like button on all of us also. And we'll see you next time. Take care.